Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept Apple Cash without an SSN. While you can sometimes receive small payments, full functionality, like transferring funds to your bank account, generally requires identity verification. This process helps ensure security and compliance with financial regulations. Understanding these initial steps and limitations is crucial for managing your Apple Cash effectively. Apple Cash, like most financial services, must adhere to strict federal regulations, including the Patriot Act. This means they need to verify your identity, and an SSN is a primary tool for that. This isn't just about security. It's about preventing financial crimes like fraud and money laundering. You'll typically be prompted for your SSN once your transaction volume or balance reaches a certain amount, often around $500. While you might receive small peer-to-peer payments into your Apple Cash account without an SSN, your ability to use those funds is severely restricted. You won't be able to transfer them to your bank account or make significant purchases. Essentially, the money is held within the Apple Cash ecosystem. If you need full financial flexibility, or if providing an SSN isn't feasible, exploring other payment platforms might be a better solution. For the most complete and flexible Apple Cash experience, providing your Social Security number is the recommended path. This unlocks all features, including the ability to transfer funds directly to your bank account and enjoy higher transaction limits. It's a standard, secure process that many financial services use to comply with regulations and protect users. Embracing this verification ensures you can fully utilize Apple Cash without any restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.